BMW is taking sport touring to another level with the new R 1300 RS. Designed to feel sharper, faster, and even more dynamic, this machine blends serious performance upgrades with everyday comfort. The star of the show is the all-new 1,300 cubic centimeter Boxer engine, now producing an impressive 145 horsepower and 110 pound-feet of torque. It is the most powerful production boxer BMW Motorrad has ever built, and the difference is instantly noticeable both on winding back roads and long highway stretches. Supporting that powerhouse engine is a newly developed steel frame paired with a lightweight aluminum rear section. This updated chassis offers more rigidity and better mass centralization, improving stability, handling, and overall rider feedback. The bike also gets a new 47mm upside-down telescopic fork up front and an evolved EVO Paralever 2 setup at the rear, giving it a much sharper edge through corners without sacrificing the comfort riders expect from an RS. BMW was careful to keep weight down too, fitting lighter hollow spoke wheels that trim 3 pounds in rotational mass. The result? Snappier acceleration, better braking response, and a more nimble feel at every turn. A major highlight is the introduction of dynamic suspension adjustment, or DSA. This system does more than just change damping settings. It can now also adjust the front spring rate electronically, a first for a production motorcycle with upside-down forks. Whether you are riding solo, with a passenger, or hauling luggage, DSA makes sure the suspension adapts in real time for better grip, stability, and comfort. BMW is also thinking about daily riders and tourers. There is now a prop-up aid feature for the optional center stand, making it much easier to lift the bike. On the safety side, the optional riding assistant package brings features like active cruise control and frontal collision warning to the table, making long journeys more relaxing and safer. Riding modes are standard, with rain, road, and eco available at the press of a button. BMW has also equipped the R 1300 RS with MSR engine drag torque control, dynamic traction control, and their excellent Motorrad Integral ABS Pro system for improved braking confidence. Full LED lighting is standard, and an optional Headlight Pro adds adaptive cornering lights to brighten up your nighttime rides. For those who love long-distance travel, BMW offers plenty of touring-friendly upgrades. Optional luggage solutions include hard side cases and a top case, all equipped with interior lighting and USB-C ports for charging on the go. There is even a clever magnetic tank bag system that clips easily into place without any straps, perfect for quick trips or daily commuting. And if you really want the ultimate in comfort, BMW offers a range of heated seat options for both the rider and the passenger. Seat height can be adjusted too, ensuring a comfortable fit for different body types. Performance lovers are not left out either. The Style Performance package adds a sportier suspension setup with longer travel, greater lean angles, and firmer damping for more aggressive riding. Lighter wheels, sport brakes, adjustable footrests, and a more aerodynamic body complete the package, giving riders an even more thrilling experience. Whether you are carving through canyon roads or riding two-up across the country, the new BMW R 1300 RS promises to deliver sharper performance, greater comfort, and more flexibility than ever before. It is a bold leap forward for the RS lineup, and for riders who crave both excitement and practicality, this bike might just be the best of both worlds. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more exciting motorcycle news and reviews.